attitude. Look at these niggas with attitude. Hello. Look at these niggas with attitude. Look at these niggas with attitude.
Hi,
Hi,
my name is Ravi Chandran.
I'm Harish.
So, what do?
I'm running a pharmacy company.
Pharmacy.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. My name is Rajesh.
Hello.
I'm into business of loans.
Okay, yeah. So, do you know what I do?
No, but we're here to find out about that only.
Okay, fantastic.
What is the stock market and why do you think one should venture into stock market?
Actually, stock market, I think you don't know anything about stock market, right?
Correct. That's true.
You know about vegetable markets?
Yes.
Tell me, what do they do in a vegetable market?
Purchase vegetables?
Vegetables are bought and sold. We purchase them. In stock market, there are company shares.
Okay.
Like there are cooperative bank shares.
Huh.
So such company shares, you buy and sell those shares. That's a stock market. No other difference.
Okay.
People talk about stock market, shares, and trading. What's the difference between them?
See, this buying and selling, purchase them and then sell them, selling, this is what is called trading. Trading, actually, the term, the word is used by everyone in the stock market. They're just addicted. This is also trading, right? Vegetables trading.
They talk about stocks and shares. What's the difference?
Well,
between
actually, no. Stock, the difference, company shares, if individually bought, are called share. Buy it combined, it's called stock. Normally, the professionals call it stock.
both?
And the newcomers like you will call it share market. Share market means one unit is called a share. Combine it and you call it stock. You know the word stock, right? Yeah, that's what it is.
I've heard that in the stock market, not everybody is making good enough money. Many people say success doesn't come to everybody. Why is that?
Okay. The only reason I feel is they enter the market without understanding it properly. Proper understanding of the business is very, very important. Then if you enter into business, definitely you will earn good profits. You will earn good money. So without any awareness, if you go ahead, in every field it's the same, even in the vegetable field. If you pick up tomatoes without even checking them, then obviously they will rot.
So do we need a basic education for this?
Basic education in the sense, we don't need any special education for this. Actually, it's like any other business. But to understand this business, the style of doing it and the basics, if you spend 1 or 2 days, that's enough, I guess.
Education qualification must be really needed for this, right?
No. Actually, that's not necessary.
I've heard that there are a lot of ups and downs in this.
These ups and downs help us make money, correct?
But people get very scared of these ups and downs of the stock markets.
Oh, that means already you have heard from other traders that there will be ups and downs. So you have a fair idea.
Yeah.
Actually, you see, normally in any business, or let's talk about stock market, let's not talk about anything else. One share value is 100 rupees. Okay. That 100 rupee value goes up to 100 rupees, 10 paise and 99 rupees, 90 paise. And if it goes on the same way for 1 year, do you think today we would be discussing about stock market?
Definitely not.
Definitely not. From 100 rupees, it goes up to 200 rupees. From there, it comes down to 50. Only when this happens, then we make money. If you ask me the difference in the vegetable market and stock market, in vegetable market, if one can sufficiently earn 10,000 rupees in a month, in stock market with the same investment, one can easily earn up to 10 lakhs. It's such a beautiful business. That's an old method and this is a new method, an advanced method to earn money. But stock market is since ages and people are earning.
Are these variations being controlled or handled by any particular person? Or how are these variations?
Actually, in the market there are operators. That's what they call them.
Okay.
They operate. That means they take one company's share or stock, they take it up, they rise it, and then they bring it down. They do that. This is actually illegal, but people, they do that. There are people who are doing that. See, that happens At the same time, general public investments, institutions and foreign institutions, they come here and invest in the Indian market. You might have heard. See, when they buy and sell in quantities, according to their knowledge, let's say if there are 100 people who are buying. So, from the 100 people, they buy and keep buying, the price will obviously go on increasing. Correct. And when they sell, the price keeps decreasing. This is also kind of operated. But this is not intentional. It can be. Intentionally, it is also done.
Oh.
It is for multiplying their money.
In market, how do we identify that a share is going to go up or down?
In market, identifying up or down, generally for traders or general public, it is a bit tough to do that. The 2 to 3 days education I was talking about is to identify this. If one can identify this, you don't need to learn anything else, right? You don't need anything. So, today what I've done is, I have made a software, a tool called Dynamic System. Developed by me. A couple of years I've spent on this for research. There was lots and lots of research, trial and error. Finally, the product is the tool which identifies when market goes up, when it comes down. This tool easily tells you. See, if we sit and analyze about market, we may not succeed. Each and every trader, if he sits, can he predict the market? Can he?
No, not possible.
No. But through this particular tool, you can identify. I have spent years together, full time. I've spent all my time, night and day. Can every trader spend night and day on analysis and research? He can't, right? So I thought of sharing this tool so even people should know. So I made this tool. To understand this tool, if you spend 2 to 3 days religiously, you will know both when the market goes up and when it goes down. When there was a crash in 2008, many people have committed suicide. You might have heard about it.
Yeah,
you might have heard in the newspapers. In 2008, everyone came to know about stock market, what stock market is. Even people who didn't know about it came to know. Like, oh, stock market has fallen.
Many people lost their lives.
Yes,
I've heard.
of course. So at that time, these 2 to 3 days education, 2 to 3 days if we spent on this system, understand it,